Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Eternal Dharma Insights. I'm Deba, and today we are diving into the divine celebration of Holi, a festival that radiates joy and reverence for Lord Krishna. Beyond the vibrant colors and laughter lies a sacred purpose. So, grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's explore how Holi honors Krishna's eternal love, strengthens society, and fills our lives with happiness. By the end, you'll feel its spiritual magic, trust me. Why Holi blesses society? Holi is a divine gift. Picture this: for one blessed day, all souls, rich or humble, young or wise, unite in Krishna's playful spirit, splashing colors and sharing love. In India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sanatan communities worldwide, Holi dissolves divisions, ignites forgiveness, and weaves us into one sacred family. It's a holy reset, past sorrows vanish, bonds deepen, and positivity flows like Krishna's flute. This festival heals society, making it healthier, happier, and whole proof of what we can be when we live in His joy. The sacred depth of Holi. Now, let's bow to its roots. Holi isn't just festivity, it's a timeless offering to the divine, born in Vedic ages when nature and spirit danced as one. It echoes the triumph of good over evil and the harmony Krishna brings to chaos. From ancient villages to modern streets, it pulses with devotion, tied to the rhythms of spring and the Lord's Leela. This sacred depth? It's a glimpse of eternity. How Holi began and why it endures. How did this begin? Through divine tales. Prahlād's unshakable faith in Vishnu defeated the tyrant Hiranyakashipu. When Holika, his fireproof sister, tried to burn Prahlād, Krishna's grace shielded him. She perished, he lived. That's Holika Dahan, bonfires honoring righteousness. Then there's Krishna himself, our playful Lord. In Vrindavan, he showered Radha with colors, igniting Holi's joyous spirit. It's a celebration of spring's renewal, unshakable faith, and unity under His divine love, a legacy that still lifts us today. There it is, Holi's a sacred bridge to Krishna's heart. It's devotion, unity, and a healthier, happier society wrapped in colors. Ancient yet alive, it calls us to live His teachings. Would you join this divine celebration? Comment below, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. More eternal insights await. Let's spread Krishna's love and maybe some colors. See you next time.